Septic tank risers are supposed to make life easier, but if they're done wrong, they can cause a world of problems for your whole septic system. So here's the deal. When you get a riser installed, it's got to be sealed tight and flush with the tank lid to keep stuff out, like rain, dirt, or critters. If not, you end up with leaks or contamination, which can fill your tank faster or mess up your leach field. Always get a professional who knows what they're doing to install it properly and make sure it's inspected right after. When you notice your septic filling up super fast, don't just pump and forget. Check for leaks or damage in the tank or riser. Regular maintenance every 3 to 5 years isn't just a suggestion, it's a must to avoid costly repairs. If you spot cracks or gaps, get them fixed immediately, especially on older tanks from the 70s like yours. And when you find a riser that looks sketchy or isn't sealed, don't wait to call someone else to inspect before it causes more damage. Lastly, make sure whoever pumps your tank understands how to handle risers carefully so they don't mess up what's already installed. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks and risers is ignoring proper sealing and installation, which leads to leaks and contamination. The fix? Hire certified pros who use the right materials and double-check the seal after installation. Another common issue is skipping regular inspections and maintenance, causing small problems to turn into full-blown backups or system failures. Scheduling consistent maintenance helps catch problems early. Lastly, relying on a single company without checking reviews or credentials can lead to poor workmanship like your riser disaster. Always research and get multiple opinions before committing. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on septic systems and other home projects. Plus, it's a solid tool for contractors looking to grow their business by connecting with serious homeowners who need reliable work done.